continue our previous section, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.6. Second question. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. The first question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find their speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. I repeat, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find their speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. We want to find the speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. Okay, let us take x kilometer per hour. X be the speed of rowing in still water. And what about the speed of current? Y kilometer per hour be speed of current. Okay, then what are the speed of upstream? Speed of upstream is speed of rowing in upstream equal x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay, then what about speed of downstream? Speed of downstream equal x plus y kilometer per hour. Okay, then our question is find the speed of still water and speed of the current. Here, according to this question, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Okay, we know that speed into time equal distance, or we can write time equal distance by speed. Okay, here in downstream 20 km 2 hours. Okay, we can write distance 20 km downstream x plus y in 2 hours. Okay, this is our first equation. Okay, then what about the second equation? Speed of rowing in upstream. Okay, the upstream 4 km, distance is 4 km in 2 hours. Okay, that is 4 by x minus y equal 2, equation number 2. Here the time is 2 hours, time equal distance by speed. Okay, here the distance is 20, the first case 20 km, time taken 2 hours. In the downstream 20 by x plus y equal 2. The second case, the upstream x minus y, the time taken 2 hours and distance 4 km. 4 by x minus y equal 2. Then our aim is to find this x and y. Speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. Okay, then by solving these two equations we get the speeds. Okay. Here the first equation is 20 by x plus y equal 2. By transpose this on right side, 20 equal 2 into x plus y. Here we can cancel this as both are divisible by 2. x plus y equal 10. Equation number 3. Okay. Then the next one is 4 by x minus y equal 2. By transposing this, 4 equal 2 into x minus y. By cancel this is 2. This can be written x minus y equal 2. Equation number 4. Then here we can solve this as elimination method. Here the y as one is positive and negative. By simply adding you get the value of x. Here 3 plus 4 implies 2x equal 12. Therefore x equal 6. Okay. 12 by 2, 6. Then substitute this value in here. 6 plus y equal 10. Y equal 10 minus 6 equal 4. Okay. Then we can conclude. The speed of rowing in still water equal 6 km per hour and the speed of current equal 4 km per hour. Okay. The next question is, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Okay. I repeat. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Our question is, find the time taken by one woman alone and one man alone. Okay. Here, first of all, we want to form an equation. Okay. Let the time taken by one woman alone finish the work. Let the time taken by one woman alone be. Time taken by one woman alone be x days. Okay. And the time taken by one man alone y day. Time taken by one man alone be y days. Okay. Then what about one woman's 1 day's work? That is 1 by x portions. Okay. One woman's 1 day's work equal 1 by x portion. And what about one man's 1 day's work? One man's 1 day's work equal 1 by y portion. Okay. According to this question here, 2 women and 5 men can together finish in 4 days. 2 and 5. 2 women and 5 men. That is the case 1. 2 into 1 woman's 1 day's work 1 by x. That is 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y equal 1 by 4. 1 day's work is 1 by x. 1 day's work is men 1 by y. That is 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y equal 1 by 4. This is equation number 1. The second case, 3 women and 6 men. Case 2, 3 women, 3 into 1 by x plus 6 men, 6 into 1 by y equal how many days? 3 days. 1 by 3. Equation number 2. Okay. Then we want to solve this equation. Okay. Here the equation 2 by x. Here the equation is 2 2 by x plus 5 by y equal 1 by 4 and 3 by x plus 6 by y equal 1 by 3. Can you solve this? How will you solve this? Yes, first of all take 1 by x equal u and 1 by y equal v. Then we can rewrite this equation as linear form. Okay. So we rewriting this as 2u plus 5v equal 1 by 4 and 3u plus 6v equal 1 by 3. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. By solving these two equations, you get u and v. Then substitute that u and v in here and here. You get time taken by one woman's along the work, one woman along the work and one woman's work and one man's work. Okay, can you do this? The next question is, Ruhi travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the speed of bus. Okay, I repeat. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. Okay, she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. The total distance 300 km, 60 km by train and the remaining. What about the remaining? 300 minus 60, 240 by bus. Then the second case, if she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus. Okay, here let speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Okay, what about the speed of bus? Speed of bus be y kilometer per hour. Okay, then here we know that distance equal speed into time, time equal distance by speed. Okay, what's the case 1? 300 km partly by train and partly by bus. The time taken 4 hours. Here the case is 6 km by train. Here the train x. Okay, time taken, distance by speed is time. So 60 by x plus the remaining total distance 300. 240 by y equal time taken 4 hours. 4 hours. Equation number 1. Okay. Then the case 2 is, what about the case 2? If she travels 100 km by train, that is 100 by x plus the remaining 200. 200 plus 100, 300. 200 by y equal 10 minutes longer. The first case, the time taken 4 hours. 4 hours, 10 minutes. 4 hours, 10 minutes. Okay, that is equation number 2. Then here 4 hours 10 minutes we want to convert it as hours. 4 hours 10 minutes, that is 4 plus 10 by 60 hours. Okay, 1 hour equal 60 minutes. So 10 by 60 hours. Convert minute as hour, divide by 60. That is, this is 4 hours plus 1/6 hour. 1/6. Then this can be written 4 and 1/6. That is equal 24 plus 1. 25/6 hours. 25/6 hours. So we can rewrite this as equation 2 as 100 by x plus 200 by y equal 25/6 hours. Both are hours. Equation number 3. Then the first one is 60 by x plus 240 by y equal 4. And second case 100 by x plus 200 by y equal 25/6. Okay. Then we can write this as 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. Then substituting. Then we can write equation 1 as here 60u plus 240v equal 4. Equation number 4. And this is 100u plus 200v equal 25/6. Equation number 5. Okay. By solving these two equations, you get the value of u and v. Clear? Then substitute this u value in 1 by x, you get the value of x. That is the speed of train. And substitute this v value in y, you get the value of y. That is the speed of bus. Okay, can you do this? Okay. Today's class is over. Thank you.